living a simple life, something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out, man. Onwote reached out to me. I am building a brand new studio. You know I have like over 20 cameras here on the property. You know I'm interested in security very, very much here on the property. So while I'm building the new studio, I wanted another security system for up there. They offered to send me this 4K wide angle camera system. It hooks into your router, your internet system, so you can view this remotely if you want to. It's wide angle, and it doesn't require power where the cameras are. It uses everything through the LAN cabling that is included in the kit. So let's go ahead and unbox this, and I'll show you what we got, and it's quite a kit. Actually, I think I'm just going to take everything out. All right, so the main system is right here. Now, this does not come with a hard drive. You do have to add your own hard drive, but you can see you can expand it to up to 8 cameras. This goes into your LAN, your router, USB 2.0, I assume, to transfer files, HDMI cord, VGA cord, and power cord here. And it is the NVR recorder, model NVR 301-08X-P8, 8 channel. Next up, we've got our cameras. This kit came with 4 cameras, but like I said, you can add more to it. These are really nice. We actually have these at work, and they're great cameras. Very crisp. It's amazing the camera technology, how far it's come here. So this is two-way communication too. So we have LAN in, that's going to be our power in. These are adjustable, right? You can set them up the way you want them. We have 2 lights. We have a nice high-quality camera, and we have a speaker and a mic. So pretty awesome there. Lock and unlock, bolt it to the wall. And it comes with 4 of those. I won't unbox all 4 of them. Then we have our cords, 60 foot of cords. That's cool. That's cool. Cat 5 cords, so that allows us all the room we need to mount these. And so for our building, 2 on each corner in the front, we're going to be able to get the back, the front, everything. With the wide angle lenses, it's amazing what you can get out of that. Okay, we've got a nice power cable here for it. This is going to go to our router. Here's our power pack. And then it even comes with a mouse to control it, which is actually nice that they include that. Pretty much everything you're going to need for this. And so it's a pretty much all-in-one type setup. Go ahead and pull this out. I've owned 3 of these types before. 2 of them are still in use. One of them I've getting ready to retire, and this is going to be kind of an upgrade for that. We'll add 4 more cameras when I finally retire the other one there. But here's how you set it up. I mean, it's full color. Nice. Right, and this thing is, let's see how many pages we got here. Yeah, 42 pages, full color, all in English, and I'm looking forward to doing this. Obviously, this is not a quick video to make. If you're interested in this sort of stuff, stick with me through the magic of internet editing. I'm going to now install this thing, and of course, we're not putting the studio is not ready for action yet, but we're going to get it as close as we can. I'll fire it up and show you some of the features and functions, and that'll wrap up this video. So let's do it. All right, so here we are at the new studio. Work is progressing on it nicely, and you might be able to see there's a camera right there, and there's 2 cameras right there, and there's one around the corner over there. Obviously, I'm gonna have to get the ladder out here and do some adjusting. They're a little low, but yeah, they fit in there pretty nice. They do have 2-way audio. I don't know if you can see it right there, and there's actually both lights, IR lights, regular lights, microphone, and speaker. So really nice setup here. Let's go inside and I'll show you what it looks like on the big screen. All right, so there we go. Got it plugged in, hooked up, got the wires running to it, got a little mouse that it comes with. And you can see it's recording. It is also really quiet. And here is the screen. I don't know how well a camera is going to record the quality, but it's incredible. It is definitely 4K. I have a lot of adjusting to do. That one's way too far down. That one is a little bit too far down. That one needs to go up. And that one is upside down and completely. I think the angle is okay there. I just don't, it's upside down. So I need to flip that view. I'll briefly go in and show you some of the menuing here. storage space. So anything that happens, you can see the color coding. You're going to see that come up. We've got alarms, and you can change this. You can shrink this down. You can make it more sensitive or less sensitive. And then maintenance, if I wanted to do that. Network info. I'm not currently hooked to the network, so we won't see that. But you would be able to. You can download an app, and you can get all of this stuff anywhere you are. But it sure is nice to have it right here. And then the hard drive. It even checks the hard drive. So that's really nice. And it came with a really nice hard drive. I thought I was going to have to add my own hard drive to this, but I didn't. All right, so let's see what else. IP camera's disconnected. And then it has the time, auto set, and all the rest. So that'll do it. Overall, yeah, super happy. These things, you know, they've come way down in price over the years, which is great. And they just work. They just do their thing. If I get an alert, if something does happen, well, they're getting caught on 4K cameras. So it's pretty convenient for me. And well, for instance, I have a friend who owns a shop. 1 o'clock in the morning, just last night, no, 2 nights ago, sorry. Had somebody come in and was trying to open the gates up. I guess they were trying to get their car. Maybe they were angry. Guy had a hat on, trying to hide his appearance. And you might look at these cameras and say, oh, it's kind of a top down. He also had his outfit on. And so this guy posted the picture of a couple of nice pictures of him in his outfit on Facebook. And, well, he was caught. So that was 1 a.m. He was caught by noon. Somebody had ratted him out because that's what happens with crooks. And he's sitting right now being questioned. Actually, there was another burglary in the area. So, well, you can do the math. They were probably waiting on a search warrant to check his house for the missing stuff. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of your own, and I highly recommend you have a security system at your house, or many of them like I do. Till next time, my friends, take care.